How to make money in forex trading without trading. How to make money in forex trading without actually trading. Is that any possible? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing that I'll ever ask you to do. Otherwise, everything that I provide on this channel or the information is actually for free. You don't pay me for anything. Okay, so what you are looking at is actually my payment history from a forex broker called XM Global. So this is how you can actually make money in trading without actually trading. I've basically bled some sensitive information, but you can see I'm scrolling up and down, and this is not Photoshop. Or maybe I should try to refresh it. I'll refresh it. And we are being again back to the report, so you can see that I'm not lying. So this is how you can actually make money in forex trading without without trading. What do I mean? XM, the forex broker, they have what's called an affiliate program that I've been using, and you can see some of the monies that I've actually been making with them. $50 there, $200 there, $600 there, $200 there, and you can see some small amounts. Some of the monies that I've just sent to my trading account and stuff like that. Some of it is small because I've not been actually actively promoting my affiliate links, but I know some people who actually make more than $2,000 a month. They actively promote their affiliate links. I mostly do actual trading, so I share my affiliate link here and there. That's why my some of my payments there, they're like tiny and stuff like that. So if you are good with promoting things online, on Facebook, on in various communities where you can find people to sign up with your affiliate link, you can basically make a lot of money with this. This is how you can actually, and you don't need to trade. You are not trading, you just get an affiliate link. Visit the link in the description box below. Click on the link in the description box below. It will take you to definitely the affiliate sign up. We'll go through that in a second. So you can see some of the payments that I've been making, and I promise you, I've not even been promoting as much as I probably should be promoting my affiliate link. So if you are good with promoting things online, this is definitely how you can make money through forex trading without actually putting your own money to trade forex. You don't need to trade forex to make money in forex trading. So if you click on that link in the description of this video, it's going to basically take you to this page. It's going to take you to this page. That's XM, which is the XM Global, which is the forex broker, and you can see it's a quick and easy registration process. It's expected to take just 2 minutes. So what you just need to do is fill in your name, your last name, your date of birth. When you see a red asterisk like that, it means it's important information that you just need to fill out. So you just fill in your date of birth, your address. If you're in South Africa, I'm currently in South Africa, but you can choose whatever country that you are in. You can choose whatever country that you are in, and you basically sign up, and your contact details, of course, your phone number, your email. If you have this, it's fine, but not really important. If you are signing up as a business, well, that's fine, but not exactly as important. Then obviously you just need to put in your language, which is English, unless you are using any of these other languages. Then your account password, and you declare that you've read whatever the terms and conditions, which I advise you to read terms and conditions there. And then you can tick this, or you cannot tick it. Then you can go ahead and open the affiliate account. They are probably going to ask you about where you're going to be promoting the link. You can write YouTube, you can write your Facebook group, you can write your Facebook page, you can write somewhere where maybe on Twitter. They are not really strict, so you just need to go ahead and sign up and get that affiliate link and start sharing that link. So you can add up to $25 per lot. So this is depending on the people that sign up under you, the traders, the actual traders that you can get to this broker. You can get up to $25 per lot size that they trade. You don't need to really understand some of these things if you're not a trader. And there's no limit on commissions. Like, they don't say that you are making lots of money, so they put a cap on you in order to prevent you from making money. But basically, the harder you work, the more money that you can actually make with this, and you actually get a real-time reporting. That's what I love about this affiliate program as well. Basically, they don't hide anything from you. I should have been logged into my email address, and every time a person signs up using your affiliate link, you get what? You get a notification. Each time somebody is a trader signs up with a broker using your affiliate link, you actually get a notification. So, and what I've also noticed that it's the simplicity of the payment system at XM. When it's now time to withdraw your money, it's like some-day service. It's like within 2 hours or within an hour. When you request a payment, they quickly process it, and they send it to whatever you want to withdraw it from, whether it's Skrill, whether it's Neteller, whether it's your bank account, whether it, of course, you just need to understand that there might be some time between them approving the withdrawal and you actually seeing the money in your account. If it's direct to your bank account, the same. So I think around about 5 business days, which is usually the normal with international payments anyway. For example, I use a Skrill. So when I withdraw to my Skrill, then from my Skrill I have to wait like 2-3 days after I withdraw it to my Skrill. But withdrawing from XM to Skrill is like in a matter of hours. It's like you request payment, and maybe in the next hour or so you get it in your Skrill. But from your Skrill to your actual bank account, it's like 2-3 days. Skrill does say up to 5 business days, so just bear that in mind. Otherwise, this is how you can easily make money in forex trading without actually touching forex trading itself. If you have any more questions, ask me. Otherwise, the link is in the description box below. Go ahead and sign up. It's a simple sign up process. Very simple sign up process, and you can start promoting this broker. And if you are very good at this, you can easily make money. Like I said, I'm not even actively promoting my link, but you can see some of my recent payments. Okay, like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.